Alright, first of all, we're going to talk about how to set these up. Then my next video, I'm going to go into the actual broadcast on how to do this. So basically, okay, let's open. That's another video I did earlier. Let me see if my computer wants to run fast or not here. So basically, online, you have three kinds of people, right? Three kinds of people online, and then I'm gonna go into this. God damn, I can't spell this shit. People. So you have your beginners, right? Got your Jesus. Good thing I'm not a fucking professor, because I wouldn't fucking be immediate. There we are. Change. Just want to change it. Whatever. Enter intermediate. There you go. So you got your intermediate, then you have your advanced users, right? So you cannot send them the same kind of content that with advanced users that you can beginners, because beginners, they'll be like, what the fuck did you just send me? What the hell are you talking about? Like Monday, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna show you the email I'm gonna write. And so so first we're gonna talk about doing this. We're gonna talk about writing emails. Then we'll talk about the broadcast and how to separate your list and into the sections where you want them, right? Because in the end, that's what you really need to do. Because you can't have beginners and intermediate and advanced people all having the same training unless you have this big old huge monster fucking course that covers all of it, like I do on Instagram. But that's a whole nother issue. But okay, so let's actually get into it. Okay, so basically, like right now I have three set up. I still got to work on these, but overall I got them set up. So what you used to have to do, you used to have to create a sign-up form and get another person to opt into that list and that list, and it's a pain in the ass. Okay. So we're going to create a test campaign, and we're just going to write test marketing, right? You put anything you want. Test fitness. Let's put test fitness, right? So we have test fitness, and then you hit create. After you create, ask unsubscribe, and then you hit tag apply. Actually, hit tag apply here. Let me move my face here, right in the way. So you can add fitness tips, and boom, you're done. And the only thing left that you need to do is you need to send a message. So this is the same thing as a follow-up, like your normal series, like your legacy series and things like that. This is really more advanced shit. So if you're a beginner, I'm doing a free training on YouTube for Aweber for basic shit that you need to know. But if you're not, if you already got like a huge list, a 10K, 20K list, this is going to separate everybody and writing the right messages to the right people. So, and it sucks if you're not doing it that way. Then, I'm kind of glad Aweber finally did it this way. This way, you're able to do it. But anyways, it'd be just like anything else, right? You're going to write your message, and I'm going to show you this other stuff probably tomorrow. Welcome. Obviously. And we usually do because this is a test, so I'm not really trying to get into it of what exactly do. And the cool thing is, at the end of your series, you can pitch them, right? You can pitch them about your product that you're building, or a big product. Then you get them in advance. And if you have a product that does everything, right? So you can get them on the same product, but then they can eventually learn it all, and then you can, you know what I mean? So after that, you save, and this is just like a regular follow-up after you set everything up. So after that, you can hit a delay, how many days you want, 1, 2, 3, how many, and then after that, here, let me move this out of the way again. And then you just start adding messages after message after message, delay after delay. It'd be the same thing, but cool thing I like about this, as I said, I haven't even put this up front yet. But look at this. I'll show you something. See this? Opens and clicks. This one will give you everything that you need to know. Is this? It's like the Aweber follow-up series, or the Legacy follow-up series. It don't give you that information. Like, it don't give you the clicks. It gives you the open rate, but it don't give you the clicks. It will give you the clicks. You have to literally go in. You have to look for it. You have to figure out where it's at and everything. But anyways, it's the end of this to set up your campaigns in Aweber. Next, I'm gonna go over writing emails and some simple things you can do, and how to write them. Obviously, I have these already pre-written up for. I don't have to sit there and write in front of you. But inside the writing section, I'm gonna give you 5 tips of copywriting. It should be simple. It's really the basics. You learn the basics. Everything else is easy. You ain't got to do much. But anyways, this is it for the end of this Aweber Campaigns series. So there'll be the broadcast. I'm going to be doing a couple days, and the write-in. But anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and tell me your thoughts. Is this something you're going to use? I will even have a free trial for Aweber for 30 days down below. So if you want to try Aweber out, it'll be really easier to follow along inside of Aweber if you have an Aweber account. So anyways, peace out. Peace out, everyone. My name is Paul Spola. I'll see you on the next video.